Meaning of geologically.
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 Geologically. The term geologically refers to something that is related to the study of the Earth's geological processes, structures, and materials. Geology is an important field of study that helps us to understand how our planet has evolved over time, including the formation of mountains, oceans, and continents. It also helps us to understand the distribution of natural resources like minerals, oil, and gas, and how they are formed. By studying geology, scientists can make predictions about future geological events like earthquakes and volcanoes, and develop strategies to mitigate their impact on human populations and infrastructure.